Welcome to Niagara Falls State Park.
This is amazing.
It's so beautiful. It's one of those places that just, when you see it in person, it doesn't look real. It's, words are hard to describe it. But the best, we sound like a broken record. Beautiful, gorgeous, amazing. And one of the few places that I feel that it's kind of overcast and cloudy, but it almost brings out and goes with the mist and all the water and stuff.
Yeah, the ambience of the place. Yeah.
I feel like if it was a bright sunny day, it would just be too much of a contrast. The full experience is just unbelievable. Definitely, and we would have loved to have done the boat. The line, especially with COVID, is
ridiculous.
Wraps around.
Ridiculous.
So let's come and enjoy the nature and the beauty that is this, and it is beautiful.
The Niagara Falls is not just one waterfall, it's actually three waterfalls. One of them, or the biggest one of them, being the Canadian Falls or Horseshoe Falls, and obviously that's on the Canadian side. And then the other two are Bridal Veil Falls and American Falls.
We could go on and give you a bunch of different facts. One of the cool ones that we read was about a lady that decided that this behind us looked like a good idea to ride a basket over and just say, hey, looks like fun.
Yeah, she got into a barrel. Barrel? That's how
A
you
barrel,
pronounce it?
basket
Yeah.
barrel.
Yeah. And actually she made it. A little bloody, but she made it.
Yeah, it was not a good idea, not recommended, and it is now illegal. So even if you do make it, it will not work out well for you. So I do not
Don't do
recommend
it.